Men too get hurt, and yeah, they do. Women often tend to ignore their feelings and don't bother to see what is making them so happy or sad. Do you pay attention to what's poking your guy so much? And I ask this to all the girls out there. Know that men are equally emotional as women and they too get hurt. They even feel like crying at times. So, it's not just that they are always that rough and tough within as they seem like. But first, how do you know that your man is hurt? Well, before I dive into discussing what those 9 things that can hurt your man are, let's talk about a few probable reasons and how you would understand that your guy is shattered from within. At times, we see that the men in our lives do not look into our eyes. They go on stealing their looks, and it is pretty evident that they are hiding something from us constantly. This is when you will have to make out what's eating up your guy. See, it's nothing impossible and you can figure it out at ease. Also, you may find that your man is constantly ignoring you. He is not ready to catch up with you all of a sudden out of nowhere and he doesn't want to talk to you either. If you are seeing any of those symptoms within your man, know that something is seriously wrong with him now. Last but not least, these ain't at all enough. If you still don't believe it, know that men too do cry. Just as women, they also are humans. Men are really weak about that particular woman whom they love, and anything related to that lady can hurt him miserably. No matter whether a man admits it or not, this is a fact, and there's nothing to deny about it. Before I begin with the 9 things that hurt men, do you want to learn how you can awaken a man's most secret and powerful desire to earn your love and eventually make him obsessed with you? Well, I have personally written an ebook where I have disclosed some untold secrets of making your man feel an everlasting love for you and only you forever. My ebook is free for now, so go and grab it from the link in description box below. This ebook is only for those women who want to be the best version of themselves and want men to treat them like a princess. So, here are the 9 things that can hurt men the most. Number 1, fear of initiating intimacy. It does hurt the male ego a lot. When a man is trying to be intimate with you, he expects the girl on the other end to put in an equal amount of effort into the picture. Also, men want women to think of themselves to be sexy. It is quite obvious for the guys to ensure that the woman they love or want does want or love them back with the equal intensity. Number 2, you are not allowing your man to express himself. In several scenarios, we see that the woman is too dominating on the guy, and trust me, no man will ever want that to happen. Yeah, being a partner, you need to understand that you should always allow your man to express himself. Of course, you should resist him when he goes wrong. However, take care that your relationship must have both way cooperation. Too often, men are seen to be apathetic. Although you cannot pull out words from his mouth, at the same time, make sure that you have created a comfortable space for him when he's ready to open up. Number 3, his lady love complaining about his efforts. As a woman, it's wrong at your end to assume that your man should know it all. He may sometimes require extra time to try to learn you better and figure out your likes and dislikes. Hold your patience and appreciate his efforts more than quoting anything that appears more like a complaint to him. Not all men are experts. Instead of demotivating him, try to encourage him for his efforts. You can even offer him a few cheat codes at times. This will really help him do even better. After all, he has been putting so much effort only for you, isn't he? Number 4, you show your busy schedule every time he tries to talk to you. All of us are busy these days. We have got so much to do every day, and the to-do list is so long that we hardly feel like talking to our man after getting back home. Well, it's not about being a man or a woman, but a successful relationship needs both partners to communicate with each other. We are so obsessed with our phones and social media these days that even after we have got back to our home after the hectic working hours, we get engrossed in other distractions. This is certainly not done. When your guy is trying to convey his message to you, try reverting back with an equal amount of effort. Your ignorance can terribly hurt him. Number 5. The girl sees no future with her man. When a woman says that she doesn't see any future with him, that points directly towards his ego. A man would never want to hear his lover saying that she isn't confident enough to dream about their future together. I do not ask you to stay in that relationship while killing down your own happiness. However, make sure that you are not hurting him either. Take time and get out of that relationship slowly. Try to tell your thoughts about him in a different way so that he doesn't stop dreaming ever again in his life. Number 6. Telling that some other man is better than him. As humans, we go on changing our perceptions and outlooks over time, and that's quite normal. We often find a man better than the one we have been with over the years. However, when a woman says that some other guy is more handsome than him or maybe has a better job, etc., it simply means that she intended to demean her guy. Women need to understand that a guy too has feelings. You need to ensure that you are helping him get better day by day. He might not be that perfect man in your eyes, but take time and help him grow, for that's what love is truly about. Number 7. Negative outbursts. When a woman shows that she has been unhappy with him, it hurts men severely. A lot of times, women do not understand that they are blaming their man's entire existence. A girl saying that she was really not happy in a relationship all through the days that they spent together can be really painful for him to hear. There might be several circumstances leading to a breakup, but before you utter those words before him, try thinking of all the good moments too that you have spent with each other. If you have been into a relationship all through this time, it must have had both good and bad memories, isn't it? It cannot be either way. Number 8. A woman saying that she has never loved him. A lot of times, we see women saying, I never loved you out of anger. This can seriously shatter a man's confidence. Woman, be careful that you have started dating that guy. You are bound to admit that you might at least have liked him a bit. You cannot start dating a guy for just no reason. Take time and try to sort out the things between you two instead of negating all his feelings for love in just a single smash. Number 9. Do not treat him to be that rebound guy. Never say that you have been with him only because you were lonely at that point in time. No, you do not actually need to be that honest at all. Saying a man that you got into this relationship only because you had no one beside you back then can really tear apart his soul. Even if you do not want him to be with you anymore, at least show some consideration towards him when you leave the relationship. Do you agree with these 9 points? Can you list anything else that hurts men the most? Feel free to share your views and experiences in the comment section below, and I will definitely try my best to reply back to you. If you want to transform yourself into a confident, high value woman, grab access to my ebook from the link in the description. It discloses some of the darkest secrets about love and obsession that would leave you speechless. The book is absolutely free. Get access to it before it costs you $49. Please subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more videos on relationship and dating advice. Like and share it with your friends if this video helped you by any means. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.